so the horse gets up there and he bailed off. I was like, oh, wait.
We got some spotters on this one? This is Santana. Oh, look at that little cowboy. You live so pretty. You gonna let her ride with you? If you get up, she can get behind you. Alright, come on up. This is gonna be fun. There you go.
This evening when I was walking, I was coming to say,
because I kept trying to pull away, he kept getting in his butt, and I was like, you should stop doing that.